Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. My name is Robin, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use PayPal on PrizePicks. So without further ado, let's get started. If you're looking to make your PrizePicks transaction smoother, linking your PayPal account is the way to go. As you can see right here, I have an article open by PrizePicks on how to deposit on PrizePicks. If you scroll down, you can see two different ways to link your PayPal account on PrizePicks. You can use it through desktop or mobile app. Here you can see a step-by-step guide on how to link. And if you already have a PayPal account, you can skip to step 7. So step 1, you need to open PayPal in a separate tab. It won't work within the PrizePicks portal. If you've got a PayPal account already, then that's awesome. All you need to do is log in. If not, no worries, you can quickly sign up for free. Once logged in, click on the Wallet tab. Next, hit Link a Bank Account. Choose your bank account from the options provided. Look for the option to instantly link your account. Click it if available. If not, follow the instructions on PayPal to manually link your account. Now head back to PrizePicks deposit page and click on the PayPal portal. Complete your deposit using your PayPal balance, and voila, you're ready to dive into the PrizePicks action. And there you have it, a quick guide on using PayPal on PrizePicks. Pretty easy, right? If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.